Okay, today we are going to look about Python and we will create the file first. Now let's give me to create a file name dictionary.py and to talk about dictionary, let me write a dictionary. So dictionary is a collection of data items, right, which have key value pairs, and these things are mutable, means that they can be changed, and they have order, and they also do not allow duplication. Okay, let me write this statement first and I'll explain what does this mean. So it is a collection of data types which have key value pairs, and these are mutable, which means it can be changed, and this do follow some order, and they do not allow duplicate, means you cannot make this two same element with the same keys, right? Okay, then let me ask you some questions in front. So if I say, let me ask you some questions. So if I say this a equal to, and we do this curly bracket, right, what do you think this data type is? Okay, let me do and print, and let's say type of a, then let me select Python, let me select this anaconda. Okay, this one. Okay, done, I guess. Okay, this thing is working. Let me go to my terminal, and to run the program in terminal just type Python and type the file name dictionary.py, and you can see here, if any one of you have guessed this is a set, then you are obviously wrong, right? But if I provide some element over here, 1, 2 and 3 as an element of that, this is now called a set, right? To confirm this, if you don't believe me, then to confirm this, I'll run the program, then look, this is a set. But if you don't provide any elements over here, then this will be regarded as a dictionary. Okay, this is quite confusing, but you should be clear of this. So, and in order to create an empty dictionary, you should just I guess you should just write as set, and you provide empty dictionary over here. You provide an set, and if we check the type of a, then it will be regarded as a empty set. I need to print this first. To print it, let me write the statement print, and if we do print this thing, then the class will be set, right? If you want to make an empty set, then you should do like this, right? You should not declare the empty set like this, then it will be regarded as a dictionary. Okay, this is some confusing part of it. So now let me go into the formal part of dictionary. Then in the dictionary, we have said that it will have the key value pairs, right? So how to make a dictionary, right? Now we'll open these curly brackets, and we'll give this first thing will be regarded as the key, and the second one will be, and give your name, let's say David, and this will be key and value pairs, and I want to add next also, so let's say roll number, ROO, roll number. So if I provide a roll number as 12, then, and if we want to see the type of A, then it should print B as a dictionary. So, and you can print dictionary as, if we do print A also, it will give you the things that is present in that dictionary, right? This is name is key, debit as value, and roll number as key, and tuple is a value. So this is the way, and in order to get the value by using the key, we need to write the code as provide the dictionary name and this big bracket, and you provide the key and you'll get the value, right? This will give you as a debit. Okay, now I want to use the get method to get the value. You can also do the same thing like this. You can say that get, and you can provide a name, and if the name is not present, then you can say the data, is not available. So if you run this program, available, so if you run this program, you will get, if you have this key, then you will get whatever value that is present in that key, and if you don't have this key, then you will get this result. I'll show you by running in my terminal. So go to the terminal and type dictionary.py and to run it. You'll get, right, this is a debit. So let me comment this one, then you got, let me run this again, then you got debit as the value present in this key. So let me give the key as NAM, so there is no key NAM in this dictionary, so it should give me this message, the data is not available. So this is the message we have got. Now we'll move into the next one. Let me print some values that are present in this dictionary. Print a dot values. If we do this thing, then we'll get the value as debit and 12. Now if we want to get the key that is present in this dictionary, then you need to run this program. Then you'll get keys as a name and roll number. Then you want to print a dot items. So if you run this program, then you will get dictionary items in the list, right? You'll get this list, and in the list there will be tuples, and name is debit and roll number is 12. So to get the list of tuples, we'll write like this a dot items, and if we print a, we have already done this, and then you will get the dictionary. But in most of the cases, we'll do a dot items in order to get the items that are present in a, rather than just writing a. In our future programs, we'll use a dot items rather than using a. So let me give you another way of defining the dictionary. So we have done like this also. We can also this is another way of defining a dictionary. So in order to define a dictionary, you have to give a equal to dict, and you provide a name equal to David, and let me give a roll number let's say roll number is 11, then let me take this type. Okay, print type of A. If you have any confusion, then this will be also be regarded as the dictionary class. Right now, if we want to add any key value pairs in the dictionary, then we can do it like, if we want an email as a key, and let's say david@gmail.com, then this will be added as a key value pair in that dictionary. So let me run this program, and I've done some mistakes, right? I have to provide it in double quotation, so this will be regarded as the key value pairs. So there are three items in this dictionary: roll number and email. david@gmail.com. Okay, now let me copy this one, Control-C, and let me paste it over here. Let me remove the comments, and let give this in comment. And in order to, let's say we have two dictionaries, let's make two dictionaries. And oh no, let's make two dictionaries, and in this dictionary we'll give this as a name B, and in this both dictionaries we'll provide the same key as a roll number, and we'll provide, let's say we'll provide email, let's say email as david@gmail.com. so if we want to update this data, meaning that you want to combine these two, then you need to do as a.update b, and this will do, what it will do is that it will look to a and b, and if anything common in these two dictionaries, then it will update with the latest one, right? If this code finds this roll number 2 roll number as in the both present as a and b, then it will replace this roll number by the roll number that is present in b. So let me print this and show you the result first. So in this dictionary, it should be present as a name as David, and roll number as 12, and email will be present as david@gmail.com. so let me run that program, so you can see roll number is 12 and email as david@gmail.com. so now we want to remove this name item, right? name name will provide the key in this pop method. So if we provide p, and if we do print a, then you will see that roll number will be removed, or roll number or email will be removed, right? Email was the last that was added, so email needs to be removed. So it so I think it removed the roll number. Is that true? Right, it oh no, it will remove this name as it will remove this name, and the remaining will be roll number. Now if we want to delete this item, you can also do it by like this, and you can provide the key. So let me comment this one, so and let me print again a. If we run this program, then you'll get roll number only, because we have deleted the name key, so you'll only get roll number. So, and in order to remove the last element of the dictionary, there is something known as pop item. So in order to remove the last item, so you need to do a dot pop item, and if we do like this, it will remove the last elements. So let me comment this one. So let me print a, so it will remove the last one, meaning, and in the dictionary, this name and debit will only be present. So let me run this one. So here is your result. So print a, print b, and so you can also make the nested dictionary. So let me make the nested dictionary over here. So if a dictionary is present inside a dictionary, so then it is called nested dictionary. So let me give the key as students, and in the value we'll make this thing as our dictionary. So let me make the dictionary as a name equal to David, and let me provide a roll number as 12. Let me do, this is the first element of the dictionary, and to keep the next element we will make the teachers as the teacher as key. In the value will provide the dictionary. So let me provide name as not David, let's say Tom, let's say Tom. Then he's what we will give next, we'll give his age as 42. So this will be the nested dictionary. So you need to provide this closing one. So in order to access this debit, we need to do like this. Print we need to provide the dictionary C. We need to go into the key, meaning students, and we need to provide, if we do students only, then it will give you this dictionary. And in order to access that debit, you need to provide the key as a name. So python dictionary.py, and you'll get debit. So in order to get this age as 42, you need to provide age as teacher, and you need to provide age, then you will get the answer as, oh, what's wrong over here, teachers, right? Teachers. So you need to be quite aware of this. You need to do correct typing, and you have got 42. So in this lesson we have seen about the basic dictionaries and how to create a dictionaries, and how to delete the dictionary, how to remove the last elements from the dictionary, and how to create a nested dictionary. So today we'll finish our lecture here. So have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.